Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are checking out my channel for the first time, definitely subscribe because I make awesome content where I give you guys some modeling advice and I give you guys some fashion tips as well. So today I want to show you guys a couple of simple ways that you can style a biker leather jacket. So I have this leather jacket from All Saints, it's one of my favorites. And I'm just going to show you guys a couple of ways of how I style it and put a look together. The first way obviously is to wear it with a simple dress shirts. If you have a collared dress shirt, you can actually wear it with a necktie, if you will. But if you don't have a necktie, that's cool. I like to wear collarless dress shirts. I think they look really good. This is a simple look that you guys can wear to, a dinner or just a simple night out where you can kind of like look like you're dressed up, but at the same time keeping it casual. The next look here is just a simple tank top, or if you have a scoop neck t-shirt, you can actually kind of like mimic the same look. I like this look for the summertime when it's hot outside but you still want to rock your leather jackets, maybe show off a little bit of chest. I think this is a great look. It's very simple and yet rugged. By the way, if you guys are loving this video, definitely give me a thumbs up. I always appreciate it. This next look actually is a black turtleneck. I got this black turtleneck at Zara and I found it to be very useful. It's definitely one of the most versatile things in my wardrobe. So I actually wear this turtleneck to a lot of castings and go-sees. It's form-fitting, it shows off your physique, and again, it's stylish. You can wear it with a denim jacket, you can wear it with a suit, and obviously this leather jacket. So this is an all black look, black boots, black jeans, black turtleneck. I think this is a very bold look and it almost kind of makes a statement. So this is a very simple look without doing the most, very classic. Just throw on a white t-shirt under your leather jacket, pair that with some jeans and boots and you're good to go. By the way, let me know which of these looks you guys are feeling the most. I'm going to be announcing a giveaway in my next video, so stay tuned for that one. This look is kind of like an experimental look. If you guys have a kimono, I love kimonos, I have a couple of them. If you have a kimono, try throwing it over a t-shirt and then wearing your jacket over that look. I kind of like the way the kimono kind of hangs off the jacket. I think it's a really cool look and it's like playing with layers. And if you watch my last video, I discussed that one of the ways to improve your fashion sense is to play with layers. So that's exactly what I'm doing here with this look. Alright guys, so these are 5 simple looks on how I style my leather jackets. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys have more inspirations, definitely drop a comment down below. Share your Instagram page as well. I definitely want to see it, so drop your handles below. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I'll see you guys in my next one.